Hi, I'm Rosanna from Pix4D Training. Today, I'll help you to get on board with our environment. I'll walk you through the following topics: how to redeem and check your licenses, how to reach out to technical support efficiently, how to manage user access to licenses in our organization's management system, and lastly, what training resources are available. All the topics we covered today can be applied to managing all Pix4D software and mobile applications. Let's begin with license management. One of the most common reasons users cannot access their licenses after paying for them is that they have not redeemed them. For licenses purchased directly from our sales team or resellers, you will receive a license certificate with instructions on how to redeem it. To start the redemption process, go to the license redemption page and log in to your Pix4D account, if not already logged in. Enter the license key or voucher code, select an organization in which you wish to redeem the license. Finally, click on the Redeem button to complete the redemption. For licenses purchased online, the license is automatically redeemed to the organization chosen during the purchase. Once you have redeemed the license, you can check your license plans in your account. To do this, go to the Pix4D Cloud homepage. On the top right, click on the organization's name. Then click on the organization dashboard. On the left side, select Plans and Licenses. On the top right, select the Licenses tab. Here, you can view all the licenses the account has in this organization. If you own a Pix4D Mapper license, I recommend enabling remote device deactivation. This allows you to deactivate active devices using any device, freeing up a seat without requiring access to the logged-in device. The second topic I want to talk about is what technical support resources we have and how to reach out to our technical support efficiently. Oftentimes, we receive support inquiries with a text-only description. It can be challenging to pinpoint the exact issue in the first response. I will show you what information to include in your support inquiries that can help our team to troubleshoot efficiently. Here's the workflow for reaching out to the technical support team efficiently. You will start by going to the technical support homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you can talk to our AI assistant Pixie on the bottom right. Our AI assistant Pixie, who has read all of our technical support articles, Pixie can help you find both answers and provide the articles for reference. It will not give you any information beyond our knowledge base. Once you ask Pixie a question, Pixie will respond with its answer and also the relevant technical articles. You can review these articles to see if they're helpful. You can also use the search bar at the top of each article's page to find relevant articles in our documentation. If you're not satisfied with Pixie's assistance, you can then create a support ticket. When creating a support ticket, remember to attach the quality report. The log files, screenshots are also recommended. These can help our support agents pinpoint the issues efficiently. We have technical articles that include all the instructions on how to export the log files and quality reports for all of our products. In this section, we will cover how to effectively manage users and licenses while using Pix4D licenses. Sometimes users join an organization and still cannot access the licenses. We will also address how to solve this issue in this section. To start, let's briefly explain the concept of a Pix4D organization. Each organization can either have a 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 ingredients. In the 2-in-1 case, it will be managing users and licenses. In the 3-in-1 case, it will be managing users, licenses, and cloud projects. Imagine each software is a meeting room. Each meeting room only has one chair. All users in the same organization or company can use the meeting room's chair whenever a seat is available. Whenever a user leaves the seat, another user can occupy it. If you also have a Pix4D Cloud license, the meeting room essentially provides unlimited access for users from the same organization to view and work on projects. There are 3 primary actions for managing users in an organization: inviting users, assigning roles, and removing users. There are 5 main roles that give different rights to users. To begin, we have owners and managers. They have rights to manage user access, disable and enable Pix4D Cloud project links, utilize the share to Pix4D Cloud features in our software, and purchase or renew licenses. The only difference between owners and managers is that the owners can edit billing information and close an organization. For users who only need to use the licenses and do not require account management, please invite them as editors only. Editors can access all licenses and work on all Pix4D Cloud projects. For users who only want to view all Pix4D Cloud projects and temporarily annotate and measure, please invite them as readers. Lastly, members are users who can only access licenses and Pix4D Cloud projects when granted access by the managers or the owners of an organization. This will require a Pix4D Cloud Enterprise license. Please contact our sales team to learn more. Sometimes, users who have joined an organization still cannot access the licenses. There are two ways to troubleshoot this. One is to ensure they have verified their accounts after signing up for a Pix4D account. The other is to ensure they set up their preferred default organization. Since everyone has their own default personal organization, when they join your organization, they belong to at least 2 organizations. Therefore, ensure they changed the default organization to the one they need frequent access to. You can do this by logging into Pix4D Cloud, going to Account Settings, and changing it under Personal Preferences. Our final topic of the day is to share what training resources are available. We offer free tutorial videos on YouTube for all of our software and mobile application. There are also self-paced online courses and software certification exams. For those who learn better in a live classroom setting, feel free to join our public workshops or contact us to inquire about private workshops. Workshops typically last 2 to 3 days with about 4 hours of teaching each day. We will cover theoretical concepts of photogrammetry as well as practical applications through hands-on exercises. We also offer private consultations to help optimize your workflow. If you are unable to find a training that matches your needs, you can also reach out to our certified training centers in your region for other training options.